right, so we're going to work on your jab. That is the number one in our punch system. So with the jab, that is always your lead hand. If I'm a righty or if I'm a lefty, it doesn't matter. Whatever hand is in front, that is my jab, okay? So Coach Henry's going to stand as a righty for this, and he's going to have his lead hand, his left hand in front. When you throw the jab, any punch that you throw, face me, Henry, do your rhythm facing me. Any punch that you throw comes from that forward motion in the rhythm, and that is because all of your weight is coming behind that punch. I don't need to try to hit hard. I just need to move my weight into the punch. It's going to be a very hard punch. Now, from there, we always want to do it on the forward motion, and you want to step every time you jab. That's going to stop you from going too far forward. If he doesn't step and jab, he has a tendency to lean a little bit. That step creates a wall, and it stops me in place so that you're set up for other punches and always maintain your distance. So when you work on that jab, it's going to look like this on the heavy bag. Get your rhythm a little bit in between. Get your little rhythm in between. Nice and easy. Comes from the forward part of his motion. In that rhythm, he's turning the punch. Every time I throw that jab, I rotate. When I do that, look what happens to my shoulder. It blocks my chin. If I don't do that, my chin is lower, or my shoulder is lower, so my chin is a little more exposed. Once I turn, look, my shoulder turns, and now my chin is more protected. So we want to make sure we turn that punch when you throw that jab. Go ahead, Henry. Time. Awesome. That's how you throw the jab.